Say hi. Hello. Hello. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it's me and Princess Ari. And we are gonna be cooking today and getting her hair done and doing all of that. So, for my real day ones who've been supporting from the get-go, you already know we here doing it Cardo's way. And the reason you haven't been seeing videos lately is because I am now a single dad. Yay! So, got promoted to single dad about a month and a half ago. So we're just here doing it. Not gonna say much on that, but yeah. So that's the reason I haven't been uploading videos. But me and Miss Ariane gonna be doing a lot of videos now. So today, this is what we got going on. Alright guys, so like I was saying, welcome back to the channel. We here doing it Cardo's way. So today we're making Sunday dinner. We're gonna make some juice as well. So if you are new, you know, go ahead and subscribe, turn on post notifications, you know what I mean? And if you're not new, then go ahead and like, go ahead and comment, and we go get right into it. So we have watermelon, we have some cherry, we have pineapple. What can we do with that? And you know, we go do some chicken and some rice and peas, all of that. So guys, stick around. Let's get popping. Alright, so first thing we want to deal with is the cherries. Right? First we go get all the stems out of the cherries. We don't need no stems. Get out all the stems. So yeah, as you can see, you guys, we're doing a whole lot. Get rid of the knife because my hand move fast. I have to just squeeze it out. Take out the inner grain. Leave the pipe, little girl. And I get my pot hot ready for the chicken. Yeah, we're not wasting time now. I'm Miss Ariane in the kitchen and do it the right way. Then I get the cherry ready for blend and she'll eat them all. Turn off the pipe! Yo, I can't take when you start rude and not listening, no man. Just listen, no man. Hear, no man. We're doing this together, no man. We're doing this together. Don't give no trouble. Put it down. Don't want no trouble from it. Alright. So we grease the pot. Let that hot. Yo, what you doing, man? Chill. Yo, you know what? Get down. You are fired. Go. You are fired. You're giving too much trouble. You are fired. What you mean, what to do? Why are you giving so much trouble? You gonna stop giving trouble? Hey, stop the noise. Cherry nothing. You gonna stop giving trouble? Wait. Hey, stop the noise, no man. Stop the noise. Stop the noise. Stop the noise. It's getting annoying. Stop the noise. We cooking. We ain't got time for noise right now. You know what we're doing. We've done this before. Yes, cherries. So the chicken, nice and ready. Yeah. go ahead and do the chicken. We just brown them first. You know the chop. Get them brown and then we cook them down. Oh yeah. Some people call it fry and cook down. Some people call it fricassee. Alright, we'll see. I could get back to making the beverage. You know the chop. Hey, what you doing? Uh-oh, oopsie. You lost the cherry. Where did it go? Alright, so we have all the seeds out of the cherries. That's good. Flip my chicken. Yeah, chicken. Yeah, chicken. Chicken brown is nice. Alright, so with that one aside, let's get the watermelon. Let's get the watermelon. Come on. No, leave the water. No water, no water. We're going to cut the watermelon. Leave the water! Oh my God, can't you listen? Shut up. Watermelon. Yeah. Beautiful. You want to taste it? There you go. Taste it. Watermelon. Sweet. Alright. So we're just going to go ahead and cut some watermelon into the cherry. Leave it, leave it. Just stop turning on the pipe, my man. Stop turning on the pipe. Sure. Alright. You gotta get down, you know, man. Because you start give trouble now, you know. You start give trouble. Put down the rag, man. Get down, man. Nice and clean. Alright. Chicken brown. Alright, stop. Alright, so I got set down the rice and peas. First thing, add the milk to the pot. Come on. Go over the peas. Add the peas to the pot. Add a little salt, not too much. A little might get the flavor. Some garlic powder. Some butter. Yeah, no? Add some butter, make it go and do it thick. Yeah. Alright, bud. Alright, what you doing? What you doing? Add a cup of water, make that go on. Flip over my chicken over here, so. Alright, what you doing? Alright, now it's time to start blending some drink. You know what I mean? Alright. Look at her. Look at her. Alright, my peeps. Now get back to the thing, yeah. Wash some rice. Put in another pot. Yeah, you know? Don't come back over here with that. Stay over there. Stay over there. Yeah, man, that's it, bro. Show some rice in this now, you know? Single that lifestyle. Leave that, leave that, leave that. See there? Rich in coconut milk. Rich. Yeah, man. Should I deal with my chicken, you know? Should I put on the chicken for go and cook? But you don't know the things. That's so dealing. Ariane! Jesus Christ, man, sure. So peeps, camera did stop record. I never even notice. Better I cook and I go and do the thing same way, you know what I mean? Make all the juice already. They're ready to start. Straighten up and clean up. Never bother get the pine. Save that for another time. Pine and ginger. Yeah. Yeah, no? See that? With that, you can see chicken, rice and beans, natural blend of juice, rich lifestyle. See the peeps, that's how we look. Rice and peas done, chicken done. Alright, time for deal with Miss Ariane and her hair and now. Alright, sit. Sit. No. Sit right here. Yard man style, this is how we do it, you know? Take care of a little girl. We love woman company, we don't need woman. You can do it without them. You understand? Stop. Joke, yeah. The man need a woman. Every real man need a real woman. You just don't need a fake woman, you see me? No mannequin around here. Alright, so Miss Ariane get her hair wash. Oh my, come on. Time to get your lotion. Come. Lie down. Now, time to eat the dinner. Come on, baby, let's go, come on. Let's continue. Wait. Wait. Hey, stop. Alright, stop. Alright. We go get Cocomelon after this. Let's wait. No help. Sit down, I gotta comb the hair. I gotta comb the hair. Come on. Sit down. No jokes. Hey, stop. Hey, stop. Stop. Sit. What's wrong with your tongue? Nothing is wrong with it. No, you touch it. It's alright. It's okay. Come. Sit. Look. Alright guys, we're on the final chapter. Let's get in this irons here done. Yeah. Alright, let's have to finish. AC on, fan on. Let's do that. Miss Ariane? Hey, come here. Come here, let me see your hairstyle. Daddy fix you up? Look. Say yeah. See that? Say you don't know, so we do it. Alright, my peeps, thanks for watching. It's your boy Cardo, and we're here doing it Cardo's way. Single dad lifestyle. So I'm just show you how to cook. Well, I never show you how to wash our hair, but I wash our hair, oil it, and give a nice little rope twist after I full our belly. So, stay tuned. More videos coming. More videos coming. Remember, if you're new, subscribe. If you're there a long time, you already know the drift. Like, share, leave a comment. We'll see you next time. Miss Ariane, say goodbye. Hey, say goodbye. Goodbye.